The Opel Astra H GTC 2004 to 2014 features a multifunctional steering wheel with buttons for audio, phone, and cruise control. This video explains the controls and their functions, providing hands-free convenience while driving. Although the model is discontinued, its steering wheel design represents early 2000s automotive ergonomics, emphasizing simplicity and driver safety. The Opel Astra H GTC steering wheel features buttons on the left and right spokes. The left spoke contains controls for audio and phone functions, including volume adjustment, mode or source selection, and answering or ending calls. The right spoke is dedicated to cruise control, with buttons for turning the system on or off, setting or resuming speed, and accelerating or decelerating. The horn is located in the center of the steering wheel. Models typically have 6 to 10 buttons total to avoid clutter while providing essential functions. The left spoke of the steering wheel contains audio controls for hands-free operation while driving. Volume buttons allow you to increase or decrease sound levels quickly. Skip buttons let you move to the next or previous track in your playlist or CD. The mode button cycles through available audio sources, including FM radio, AM radio, and AUX input. Phone controls integrate with compatible head units for safe calling. Use phone buttons to answer incoming calls without taking your hands off the wheel. Voice prompts guide you through commands, with information shown on the vehicle's display screen. Cruise control maintains a set speed without using the pedals. Use the stock-style controls for easy thumb operation. It includes on-off, set-resume, and accelerate-decelerate functions. Pressing the brake pedal disengages cruise control for safety. The steering wheel buttons are wired directly to the vehicle's CAN bus system, a high-speed communication network that connects all electronic components. This allows the buttons to send signals instantly to the engine control unit and infotainment module. The CAN bus enables real-time communication with the engine control unit, which manages vehicle systems like engine performance and safety features. It also connects to the infotainment module, handling audio and phone functions for seamless control. This design prioritizes low latency for safety, ensuring button presses respond quickly to maintain driver focus. While generally reliable, steering wheel buttons can experience common issues over time. These include physical wear, fading labels, and sticky switches caused by age and regular use. A 2023 recall addressed potential electrical faults in the wiring harnesses of some models, affecting around 2,500 units globally. This ensured button reliability and safety. To maintain button functionality, perform regular cleaning with a soft cloth and mild cleaner. Handle buttons carefully to avoid excessive force, which helps prolong their lifespan. Owners retrofit HGTC steering wheels with modern Bluetooth modules to enable smartphone integration. Third-party kits enable older buttons to control modern streaming applications such as Spotify. DIY modifications are becoming more popular as owners adapt the steering wheel systems to contemporary requirements. Steering wheel controls have evolved significantly since the Opel Astra H GTC era. Physical buttons are giving way to more advanced technologies that prioritize safety and convenience. Modern cars now use capacitive touch wheels, where sensors detect finger proximity without physical pressure, reducing wear and adding a sleek appearance. Voice assistants integrated into steering wheels allow drivers to control audio, navigation, and phone functions through natural speech commands. Gesture recognition uses cameras to detect hand movements, enabling intuitive control of functions like volume or calls without touching any buttons. These digital interfaces provide haptic feedback through subtle vibrations, confirming actions without visual distraction. The Astra H GTC's physical buttons, while reliable, are becoming outdated as newer models emphasize seamless integration and reduced complexity.